Nice. New shirt, hoodie, difference. We got many, oh, I'm not even aiming at me. New shirt, hoodie, looking fresh. Shout out. Very fitting. Because I have a shit box I'm not saving it. So the plan today, it was supposed to be really warm. It is warm on the other side of this line where the sun is, where it's not sunny, it's extremely bitter cold. So I'm out of breath because I just chipped out all of this. And I'm tired and exhausted, and we just started.
Here for moral support.
Yeah, exactly. We got everyone else here. Oh, for moral support. Now that I'm done shaking the camera and everyone's gonna be motion sickened. You're gonna have motion sickness. So we're gonna begin the engine pulling of the blown engine. It comes with a free window in the block. That's pretty neat. That's always. Where's he parking the Honda? Casually parking our cars in the neighbor's driveway. Yeah, so we are gonna start ripping the front end apart while it's kind of warmish, and then in another episode we rebuild that, which that's him falling in the neighbor's driveway. And then another episode we'll be diving into what happened to this engine. So we're gonna start doing the under stuff where it's cold, wet, and lonely, and then we'll move up to the top accessories where you can actually see things. What?
It's a zip tie.
Oh wow, yeah. This may not have been one of my finest purchases.
I don't think it's doing anything.
What am I getting myself into? This thing's just a nugget. Let's jump into her. So here we are 3 hours later with a bunch of empty room. Look at all this real estate to put stuff in. That's the old one. That's the new one getting covered up. So whole reason for this is, let me just get in here. I can't feel my fingers. Look at that! All the way right there. It's got a little itty bitty hole in the block, and then I drained a solid like 6 liters of oil out of this, which is confusing because when I checked the dipstick there's nothing on it, so I don't know how I did that, but I did it. So that's either the end of this video or we'll continue when it's warmer in a different day, because now it's sun going down and I can't feel my fingers. Also, stuff's going on with this. I don't know, pie cuts and such.
Working on it.
But there's turbo things happening to the Genesis. We'll, you know, get there when we get there. Boom.
I swear to God, we'll show you the car someday.
But now we gotta clean up. I guess I gotta clean up all my mess. But I don't know. Should I paint the engine bay black or leave it this fantastical color? I'm very torn. Kind of want to keep it this color. I don't know. Next episode or tomorrow. Engine going in. Well, boys, welcome back to a nice sunny day of -30 in Canada. This sucks. I'm over it. So, engine is complete. Just finished that video. That should be up. This is where we're at. So we basically got everything bolted together. Long block, trans, intake, accessories. Timing. timing especially. Everything's nice and happy. Might put a little more grease on the cams. Actually, I'll put spark plugs in too. But anyway, regardless, she is ready to go in the car. Now the car is gonna have to get brushed off because, you know, snow. So obviously I'm doing everything in my power to stay in here for as long as I can because it is slightly less cold than outside. But let's get her in, boys. It's time. Well, fellas, she's officially bee swapped. Hopefully it runs. I don't know, but that's enough for today. I'm tired. Throwing in the towel. I'm gonna have a nap. I'm over it. It's been a rough day. It's been a rough week, actually, but finally everything's kind of sitting in here. I mocked up a couple mounts just to see how she fits, but that's about it for today. Next episode, we get her running or find something horribly wrong with it and there's no going back. So that's exciting. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.